Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video, I will show you how to hide the widgets from showing up in the lock screen of Windows 11 running computers. So without further more delay, let's begin. So let me press Win+L to go to the lock screen. So now you can see here at the bottom, the different widgets are showing up. So you can clearly see here. So in order to hide the widgets from showing up in the lock screen of Windows 11, what you need to do is just open the settings. And on the left side, just click on this personalization and just scroll down below. Now you'll see here lock screen, just click on it. Now just scroll down below again, and now you'll see here one option, lock screen status. So by default here you can see whether and more option is selected, just click on it. Now you'll see here none option, just select it. Now you can minimize it. Now let us move back to the lock screen by pressing the Win+L on our computer keyboard. So finally you can see we have hidden the widgets from showing up in the lock screen of Windows 11 computers. And if you want to show it up again, then just move back to the same option and just click on this none option and select the weather and more. Then it will show you back the widgets from showing up in the lock screen of Windows 11. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily hide the widgets from showing up in the lock screen of Windows 11 running computers very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.